Understanding You Look Pale, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, you look pale. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering conversational English. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. You look pale is a phrase used to comment on someone's appearance, specifically referring to their skin color. Being pale means having lighter skin, often as a result of feeling unwell, frightened, or shocked. It's important to use this phrase sensitively, as it's often associated with concern for someone's well-being. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Concern, you look pale today. Are you feeling all right? 2. Surprise, you suddenly look pale. Did you hear some shocking news? 3. Observation, after the long journey, she looked pale and tired. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different contexts, indicating concern, surprise, or simple observation. In English-speaking cultures, commenting on someone's appearance can be sensitive. While "you look pale" is often used out of concern, it's important to be tactful and considerate. Remember, it's always good to follow up with a kind question, like, "Are you okay?" A common mistake for learners is confusing pale with simply being fair-skinned. Remember, pale often implies a temporary change in skin color due to a specific condition or feeling. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, you look pale, and how to use it appropriately. Remember, mastering such phrases will greatly enhance your conversational English skills. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.